Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. This video will be a review about a mascara that I used from a while ago and it's so lovely, so I decided to make a review about it, showing you everything and talk about it. So it's this one from Catrice, this one called Little Black One Volume Mascara in True Black. So I'm gonna talk about this mascara in this video. So first thing I used to say or talk about in a mascara reviews is the packaging. So this one have a really plain packaging, like a black one with kind of a leather effect on it, and of course a silver cap, as you can see. So it's really simple. There's nothing fancy about the packaging, but the effect of this leather effect is beautiful. And of course, next thing will be the brush of the mascara. So as you can see, the brush is pretty small. I love this brush so much because I have kind of a small eyes with a really long and curled lashes. So it's kind of hard to find a really perfect brush for me. So for me, I love small silicone brush more than the ordinary kind of a large size normal bristles, because the silicone is more softer on my eyes than the other one, and the small one give me more control when I apply mascara because I have really long curled lashes, which drives me crazy when I apply mascara or when I apply false lashes because they are so crazy. So I love that, like small one like this. It's so small and so amazing. So give me more control. And the silicone one is nice because it's flexible. It can bend with your eyes, so it doesn't hurt my eyes at all when I apply it. The bristles is kind of short, kind of going from short, long, and short again. But it's really fine and really nice. It doesn't hurt my lashes like my waterline when I apply, especially on the upper waterline. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't like spikes. Some brushes like spikes. This one is so soft and so amazing, and actually help to comb the lashes while you're applying your mascara. So it's perfect for small eyes with long lashes like mine. For the material or the mascara itself, it's super black. It's true black, so it's super black. I love black mascara because I have long lashes. Like half of them is a gold one, so gold in. So when I have my bare lashes, maybe you don't notice that I have long lashes, but when I apply just one coat of mascara, just small one, with this black effect to give me a really nice coat, so it shows out my lashes the normal length. And in the same time, this mascara is so soft and so black, and you can build up the mascara like many layers without having a really like a clumpy effect. It's so amazing. And the combing effect of the brush really helps to apply many coats without like having a clumpy lashes. So now I'm gonna leave you seeing the mascara on my lashes, one coat and two coat, comparing to one bare eye as usual, as I used to have. So I'm gonna leave you go there and watch the effect of this mascara, and I'm gonna come back.
You make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming.
As you saw in the short clip, the effects of one coat and two coats of mascara comparing to my normal lashes, so you have an idea how this mascara looks like on your eye, because I have false lashes like now. I already have two coats of these on my lashes, but I have false lashes, so you can't see right now. So So the staying power of this mascara is really amazing, can stay for a long time without smudging for me. I don't have big issue with smudging mascara underneath my eyes, but this one stays not waterproof. I don't like waterproof mascaras at all because it's really hard to take off from your lashes. This one is not waterproof, but it can stay for a long time without smudging, especially in hot weather, and it gives you a very nice effect, stays on until you wash out your face, and it's clean and nice. For the smudging while you're washing your face, this one doesn't give a really big panda eyes. After 2 times, like washing my eyes gently or using the wipes and then washing my face, it doesn't make any kind of a panda eye effect. Some mascara is super black. It can make a really bad panda eyes, which is really annoying for me because once I have this area stained with dark or black color, really hard for me to take it off because this area can be swollen really easily for me. So this one is really nice. I can wash my face twice, or I can like wipe the eye makeup with eye makeup remover and then wash my face, and my eyes completely clean without band eyes. So overall, after all that, because I love to talk about everything about mascara, like packaging, brush, and everything, I give this mascara a thumb up for the brush, and the mascara itself is super black and nice. Thumb up for the staying power and thumb up for no smudging while washing your face. The packaging is not really, but it's okay. For me, I love this fancy kind of a really girly packaging, but it's okay if it's really effective and really good mascara. I can skip the packaging thing. So I love this mascara so much. I really recommend it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you try it, what you think about it, and if you have any recommendation for another mascara, if you want to see another review like this, because I love doing mascara reviews. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these things will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.